What's up, Fly Crew? I'm coming at you with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be reacting to Lil Yachty doesn't know if he should spend or save at Jewelry Unlimited. But before we get into the video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're not miss when I upload. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
This man got most celebrities calling his phone. And goddamn, I don't even know nobody else that have a bunch of celebrities calling his phone.
Nah, that's not true. None of these guys are celebrities.
What you talking about? And all the dope dealers.
That's an interesting phone.
Your shit turned up. Slime. Your shit turned.
Why are you showing him that?
Which one?
That country. Something like that. So you pick it up.
Yeah, so we're going to
Put a
take
gold chain.
Come get me.
Oh, that bitch.
65 for that.
The tractor.
Not really.
Yeah.
Sunday in mine. This is 45 minutes.
It's a good size.
Yeah.
I wonder if the people that's in there with him, or
Not both of us. Whenever you get that.
I wonder if the people that's in there with him, or do they know if they just shopping or whatever? Do they know who he is? And the store looked closed, so they might be with Lil Yachty. I don't know though.
Do I need to size this? Oh, this one's sold.
Somebody bought that.
He look like old school Gucci man. He's savage.
What's the biggest piece you made? Who made the biggest, most expensive piece you made?
I just finished this one.
He's so far. He's so far.
How much would you think of that?
30?
No, more.
Oh, this emerald? It's beautiful, though. God, it's beautiful. Like, my eyes can't even focus on it. You just change. That's it.
I could turn it into a Yachty, more like the Y, something. I don't have enough jewelry.
No more custom pieces. I like to look at it, though. Kind of nice.
That's fun. I like showing you stuff just to hear you say yours.
You keep killing it, bro. They do look good. I don't know why I don't match. Slim.
Actually, the emeralds look a little yellower than yours, bro. That looks huge. I don't
Yeah, I know, but this one don't. So I'm saying I need a bigger one. I used to have 40 big ones.
You got that? Yeah. Let me get it.
How y'all doing?
Almost. Family, friends, or family?
How the door don't fit? No, I want to make it. I want to make it a ring.
I can make it.
I'm going to take the stones out and
Yeah.
make it a whole.
How much is it you have? Okay. We can make it a ring for sure.
Like, I don't even want, I just want
But is it enough to go all the way around?
Yeah, it's 10 teeth, 20 teeth.
So 20 stones. It'll take some time, but that would look dope.
But I want them to, like, I want the diamonds to connect. Like, they're going to be, like, different sizes, though. So it'll be, like, a big, small, big, like, I'm going to bring it to you. I'm going to bring it when I come back.
Oh, you know what we could do is put the big rock and then put a single size stone of the same size.
If I don't come down for Christmas, I come after that.
I wonder how that's gonna turn out.
Yeah, this one. Thank you, bro.
Oh, so it kind of seemed like it was only a couple people with Lil Yachty, but the other people was just customers. Okay. That's dope. He's still, you know, humble and shop with other people. Like, other people can be there while he looking at jewelry and stuff and doing business. That's dope. But alright, you guys, that is the end of my video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're not missing an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, Fly Crew.